Okay. So let us start with a first dam, which is Cherutoni Dam. It's situated in Kerala. So let us study about, as a civil engineer, we should have some knowledge about our hydraulic structure constructed by the civil engineers. So Cherutoni Dam, the largest concrete gravity dam in Kerala, it is located close to Idukki Arch Dam. Basically, this dam consists of two another dam. Okay, so it is the third highest dam in India with 454 feet high across river Cherutoni. This dam was constructed as a part of Idukki hydroelectric project along with two other dams, Idukki and Kulamavu. So these two dams consisting of these two other dams, this total three dams make that Cherutoni Dam. So this basically contributes the function of producing hydroelectric energy and for irrigation purpose. So the specifications are the height is 453 feet and length is about 2300 feet. The dam volume is almost, let us see, this is 17 lakh cubic, where the type of dam is concrete gravity dam. So this is the dam. So actually this dam shutters, let us just read it. When all the 5 shutters of Cherutoni Dam was opened for the first time in history during the 2018 Kerala flood. So actually this flood so basically this dam has a history. This dam's shutter have been opened since its construction or the operation began about 3 times. So it was about, one was about in a 80s during a flood, next is about 1992, and the third one is at 2018. So these 5 shutters has been opened since it has been established 3 times. So this is a very rare phenomenon to see in this dam, to open as an opened shutter. As an open shutter scenario. Okay. So the next one is Bhakra Nangal Dam. So as we all aware of this dam, since our childhood, in our class 5 or 6, we have already studied it in our general knowledge classes. So this Bhakra Nangal Dam is situated across the river Sutlej in Himachal Pradesh, constructed in 1948. The construction started at 1948, and it is the highest concrete gravity dam in Asia and second highest in the world. So the construction, it's about the time of independence was considered to be the huge dam construction in all over world. So these are the specifications, as I have already discussed about this dam in my last class. So as you can see, the total capacity is enormous capacity it can store. So this dam construction purpose was to generate a hydroelectric system and for irrigation purpose as well. So this is a picture of Bhakra Nangal Dam from the front view. Next is our Indira Sagar Dam, which is situated in Madhya Pradesh. So this is the dam. It's also a huge dam. As we all have a minimum idea about the dam disasters, that most of the dam disasters has been consumed by the very underprivileged village and the underprivileged peoples who has to suffer for that destruction. So as a civil engineer, we should also in future, personally I think in future we should also consider that the purpose of the construction of any structure should not harm any human life or any animal. So the dam construction is not always blessing to the humankind. Okay, so it has to be considered. So let us come to the point. So this is Indira Sagar Dam, which is situated in Madhya Pradesh. So Indira Sagar Dam built on the Narmada River. So the previous one in the Sutlej, the Bhakra Nangal Dam, and this is in a Narmada River with a height of 92 meter. So this height is 92 meter. So almost like a 30th floor of 30th floor building consisting of a height. It is concrete gravity dam located in a Kandwa district of Madhya Pradesh. Indira Sagar project was the key project on Narmada River, providing excellent storage site of water. Indira Sagar Dam has the biggest reservoir in India. So the height is 92 meter, length is 653 meter. So this length is total 653 meter. Type is concrete. It is a concrete gravity dam, and the river it is situated nearby a Narmada river. Location is Madhya Pradesh, and the installed total capacity, as you can see, this is the highest storage capacity dam in the all over India. Okay, so this dam has been constructed majorly concentrating on the storage purpose of water. Okay, so this is the power station model which has been created before, constructing it. Okay, the next one is the Krishna Raja Sagar Dam, which is situated in Karnataka. So let us study about this dam. So Krishna Raj Sagar Dam built across Kaveri River around 1938 near Mysore. So it's been about 88 years ago. So it's been a huge time. It is one of the principal and largest dam built on the river Kaveri in Karnataka in South India. The gravity dam made of Shurki motor. So on those times, it's been 80 years or around 80 years. So on those time, Shurki motor was generally used in the place of cement. So the Shurki motor has also been used constructing this dam. So actually, this dam was constructed by the Krishna Raja. This Raja, this emperor, was used to rule over that particular state. So tributing his name, this dam was constructed near the Kaveri River. The work began in the year 1911 with 10,000 workers. So it is the main source of water for the district of Mysore today even. The water is used for irrigation and for drinking purpose in Mysore, Mandya, and almost whole Bangalore city, the capital of Karnataka. Okay, so the height is 125 meter. So the total height, as you will not be able to see in this picture, is 125 feet. The length is, so this two-person is walking over 3.5 kilometer of length of this dam, and the total capacity is this. Okay, so this is that. This is the next river. Next dam. It is Mettur Dam, which is situated in Tamil Nadu. So Mettur Dam, built across Kaveri River at Salim district in Tamil Nadu. It is one of the largest and one of the oldest dam built in India. Mettur Dam has biggest and most power generating capacity dam in Tamil Nadu. So the height is about 120 feet. So this is almost 120 feet height, and the length is 3.5 kilometer. Sorry. And the length is 1700 meter. So this length is 1700 meter. And the type of the dam is concrete dam. The river is situated nearby is Kaveri River, and the location Tamil Nadu, and the installed capacity of generating a hydroelectric power is 32 megawatt. Okay. So as okay. So next kind of the dam is Hirakud Dam. So as you can see, it's an enormous amount of water this dam is storing. This picture is just depicting that. So the Hirakud Dam is built across the Mahanadi River, about 15 kilometers, 9 miles from Sambalpur in the state of Odisha in India. The Hirakud Dam is a composite structure of earth, concrete and masonry. So this dam is basically constructed with using three type of construction materials, which is the earth, concrete and masonry. That dam supports two different hydroelectric powerhouses. That construction began in the year of 1947 and inaugurated in 1957. So it took almost 10 years to that dam to be started fully functional. That dam helps control floods in Mahanadi Delta and irrigates 75,000 kilometers square of land. The total length is 25.79 kilometer. So this is the total length is almost 25.79 kilometer. So as maybe from proper Kolkata to Bojboj, the total distance to be covered is just that amount of kilometer to be consumed by that. So this is huge amount of length of this dam. The length is 4.8 kilometer and the total capacity is this. Okay. So our next is Bilaspur Dam, Rajasthan, which is situated in Rajasthan. This is the Bilaspur Dam. Okay. So it is the greatest gravity dam of Rajasthan. This is Bisalpur, sorry. Located in Tonk district of Rajasthan. The Bisalpur Dam was constructed in 1990s by Rajasthan state government and opened in 1999. The dam is built across the Banas River between two mountains. So as you can see, this is between these two mountains. The river is coming, and in that place that dam has been constructed. The dam is built across the Banas, that was the Banas River coming. The largest dam of Rajasthan, Bisalpur, with the height of 39 meter, is one of the honor of Rajasthan. So the height is almost 39 meter, meaning 130 feet. This height is 39 meter. The length is 1083 feet. This length, this total length, and the total capacity is such. Okay, so our next dam is Koyna Dam, Maharashtra. So I am just showing you this presentation of dam just to get an example and the name. I mean, you as a civil engineer should know some major dam names in our own country. So that's why I have just arranged this presentation for this class. So you should aware of these names. Okay. So if you have been asked after you pass out that just give me 5 dam name in our countries, then I should I hope you will not be surprised. You should be able to give at least 5 names. Okay. So this Koyna Dam is situated in Maharashtra. Koyna Dam is built across river Koyana in Koyananagar, Maharashtra, with a height of 103 meter. So this is almost 103 meter height, almost 30 floor of 30 floor building height. It is one of the largest dam in Maharashtra, located at Western Ghats. The main purpose of the dam is hydroelectricity with some irrigation in neighboring areas. So the main purpose is basically hydroelectricity, but it also attributes some of its function to the irrigation and agricultural purposes in some neighbor areas. The dam has withstood many earthquakes in recent past, including 1967 Koyananagar earthquake, resulting in the dam developing some cracks. So it has developed some cracks during that period, but afterwards that damage and the cracks has been corrected using a cement grouting, and it is now functionally fully functional. The height is 339 feet. The height is 339 feet. And the length is 2,648 feet. This is 2,648 feet. The type of this concrete has been used to construct is the rubble concrete dam. So the material used to construct this is rubble concrete dam. And the total capacity is such. So this is the picture. This is from the front view. This is from the bird eye view. Okay. This is another very acquainted dam, Maithon Dam in Jharkhand. This is one of, I mean, most of the dams are very much attracted to the tourists as a tourist spot. So this is one of them. So Maithon Dam is built on the river of Borakor, located at Maithon, and is a big dam in tribal state Jharkhand. Maithon Dam is one of the most popular dams in Jharkhand and one of the most successful multi-purpose project in India. Basically, Jharkhand is a kind of a very dry state. Okay, so it need a water supply during the whole time. That is why in the time of monsoon, this dam helps to store enormous amount of water. So this water been utilized in a several functions. So it is a very important dam in a Jharkhand. Okay, so this is an underground power station, the first of its kind in the whole of Southeast Asia. So Maithon Dam is the biggest reservoir in the Damodar Valley. The height is 165 feet. So this is 165 feet height. The length is 15,712 feet. So, sorry. This is 15,712 feet, and the type or the type of this dam is concrete cum earthen dam. The total capacity of generating electric power is 60 megawatt. So basically what happens in the places of, okay, I will come to that point later. Let me just complete all this. Next is Tungabhadra Dam, Karnataka. This is a very important dam in Karnataka state. Tungabhadra Dam is constructed across river Tungabhadra, a tributary of river Krishna. So Krishna river is the main river. So the sub river of that, the sub channel of that river is Tungabhadra. This Tungabhadra channel has been barricaded by this dam, which is located approximately 5 kilometers from Hospet town in Karnataka. It is also the largest dam in Karnataka, having height 49.38 meters. It is multi-purpose dam serving irrigation, electricity generation, flood control. The construction began in 1949 and opened in 1953. So the height is 49.38 meters. So this height is 49.38 meters. And the length is 2,441 meters. This is 2,441 meters. The type is earthen gravity dam. The total capacity is such and installed capacity is such as. Okay, so let me just give you one fact about this. So basically what happens in the South India, they are having 2 monsoon season in throughout the year. Okay, just we in a eastern way, we only have one monsoon season, but in South Indian they have 2 monsoon season. That is why it is very much important to hold that immense amount of water storage or to control the flood is very essential part in the South Indian states. So that is why those dams maximum function is to control the flood. The purpose is to control the flood and generating the electricity. Where in other hand, the places like Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, they are the water scarce state. So they need to preserve water. So throughout the year, they will not have enough water to irrigate or to channelize any other states. Channelize any other places. So that is why their purpose of constructing the dam is majorly contributing to store the water. So the dam, as I have discussed in earlier class, that the one purpose of the dam is storage and other. So the storage purpose is basically constructed in the northwestern sides like Rajasthan, and the center it is in Madhya Pradesh, the Jharkhand, like these kind of states. So this is our some major dam which has been constructed in India. So I think probably you should remember these names if you have been asked to name 5 names of dams. So please be spontaneous to tell the answers. Okay. So thank you. This is our today's lecture.